Hi all my beauties, this is Hema from Shivani Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique? New colors, new designs, new concepts. That is what Shivani Boutique is, and today it's going to be organza concept. Wherever we go, people keep asking for organzas. I want organza sari, organzas. Now I'm going to show you organza salwar materials. Some or organza salwar materials, some will be chanderis with organza dupattas. All are value added festive collections. These things you can go for, use it for party wears. Absolutely, the fabric is mind blowing. So let me open the first fabric and show you guys. See, this is the top material. See this. This is the front portion, top material for this. So this is how it looks, and then this is the pant for this. Everything, the pant comes with the same matching pant, and the surprise is the dupatta. Dupatta is so pretty. See this lovely and elegant dupatta. It's a what is that, kalamkari printed dupatta, where you can find this kalamkari border. So it's so nice and decent fabric as well, and I've got lovely colors in this. It's a sandalwood color. See this. So this design is entirely different from that, and this is the dupatta for this. Kalamkari dupattas. Lovely it is, and it's very lightweight. You can just like that pin and then flaunt it. It is in that way. The next organza is this. Only the embroidery is different. See this, how beautiful it is looking. These are all nice posh materials. See the embroidery portion, and then the pant is the same color, and then this is the organza dupatta. Lovely, super sweet dupatta. Organza kalamkari printed dupatta. So one more, the second color is this and this. It's cream sandalwood color, and then these are all my baby salwar materials, because how I handle, you can understand. So this is the dupatta for this, and then the next is a pale, it's a pink family, but the color is entirely different. So this is the organza top, you can find this, and this is the dupatta for this. All comes with the pant, you can find the pant inside the top material itself. And then the next comes is our chinya silk fabric with organza dupatta. All are different, and this is the pant material for this. See this chinya silk with zari embroidery. Lovely, beautiful looking it is. See this. So this is how it is. Yeah. So and this is the pant for this, and this comes with a organza kalamkari printed dupatta. So lovely it is. And then comes our organza top. See this top, along with that inside is the pant material. Alright, and see this embroidery, it's pretty cool, beautiful embroidery. See this embroidery is so nice, and this is the dupatta for this. So this is how it looks. Dupattas is very nice, lovely, you can just like that flaunt it. And this is best for our festive season, for party wears, for evening party wears. It will be so great. And then comes, see this design, it's so beautiful. Organza, the color is also great. See this. So this is how it is. So this is the top. You can find beautiful work, hand embroideries on the top. It's all Ari work and thread works and Parsi works, and the dupatta is this Leria dupatta. It's actually going down. See this. So lovely, contrast matching Leria. It's not contrast, different color matching Leria dupatta. And then all our festive collections right now we have, and see this is a nice embroidered organza top material. You can find this beauty of the top material. It comes with the pant as well, and then organza dupattas. 6. lovely looking organza dupattas. Alright, and then the next designs are these two designs, similar designs but of 3 different colors we have today. Yes, such a beautiful, amazing design. Let me open this color so that you guys can understand how it looks. See, this is the top portion and this is the pant for this. It's a crepe silk kind of pant, and then the dupatta is also embroidered. All are nice, different concept. So if you want really different, Shivani's boutique is the best place for you guys to shop at. And these two are the, totally we have 3 different colors. And then comes, see this. This is Banarasi Chanderi top. It's being paired with this dupatta. So this is how it is. This is the top. This is the pant for this. So, and then once again it is the organza dupatta for this. Lovely, pretty looking. And I have got beautiful colors in this. Chocolate pink color, happy color, and then purple color, royal color. So all comes with a nice organza dupatta. Hope you sit back, relax and enjoy our show. It's so nice and colorful. It's raining outside heavily. And then see this. The next is a Chanderi silk cotton, and these are the hand embroideries, Parsi work. And then this is the pant for this. Once again, it's Chanderi Parsi work hand embroidered dupatta. These are all slim fit as well. I have got nice colors. Aqua green color it is. See, this is the dupatta for this. Nice, beautiful aqua green, and then chocolate pink color. Lovely pink color. How beautiful it is looking on me. And then comes the next design. This is linen by Tezer. Actually, it's a pure one, and these are all Parsi work embroidered. And I have got 2 beautiful colors in this. It's a pista green and Gaza pink color. So this is how it is. So all Parsi worked ones, and then this is the pant for this, and this comes with the dupatta. So Parsi works right now, whatever I am showing is Parsi works. This is a, it is actually a pink family. It's not Gaza. It's a pink, pale pink color with this embroidery. Same concept. And then comes this. These are 2 similar designs but of different color combination. And this is Parsi work with beads and threads all over. See, this is the top for this. And this is the pant for this, and this comes with a beautiful dupatta. See this lovely dupatta, and the second color is this, a little bit of wine color. The next Parsi work dress material is this. It's a purple color. These are all soft Chanderi fabric. See this. All right. This comes with the top, and you can find Parsi work embroidery, and this is the pant for this, and it comes with an amazing chiffon dupatta, where in this dupatta also you can find nice embroideries. The second color is this. Sorry. And then the third color is this. Nice, beautiful, 3 beautiful colors. And then comes this organza at the, see this, organza top material. So once again it's organza top material, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with an organza dupattas. All are lovely. This blue color is so beautiful looking, lovely, pretty looking. And then comes, these 2 are our Chanderis with organza concept. Let me open and show this deep maroon color. It's a maroonish color. These are all Chanderi Banarasi weaving concept, and this comes with the pant, and then it's all over embroidered organza dupatta. So see this. So this is how it looks. Organza dupatta. The dupatta is really lightweight as well. And the second color is this. It's a deep navy blue color with this combination. Lovely. It is something really different, new things. People expect new things. When I started my boutique 15 years back, each and every design will be for a year or even 2 years, and slowly what happened, from 2 years it came to 1 year, from 1 year it came to 6 months. That is, within 6 months the product gets outdated. And finally now what happened, each and every day we keep updating things. So this is the organza dupatta. So let's flow with the flow, that's all. And then comes this comes only with the top and then dupatta. The speciality is this is a weaving cotton top, and this comes for the sleeves, organza sleeves, and then this is the dupatta for this. All are lovely pretty looking dupattas. If you have any queries, 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. We are at your service. The next color is this. These are all our repeated colors, and posh color as well. See this, lovely it is. And this is for the daman portion, this cross stitch, and pant also comes with the same. And then see this dupatta, organza dupatta. All are lovely great dupatta. See this, so beautiful and pretty looking. And then comes, these are all weaving cotton. The stuff is really soft, and it comes with an organza dupatta as well. Same concept but of different colors. See, this is the embroidery portion, and once again for the pant also you have got that embroidery one, and the dupatta is a happy dupatta, organza dupatta, lovely happy dupattas. Then comes this. These two are of similar concept but of different colors. Let me open this. See this lovely looking top it is. Alright, with a neck embroidery, and then comes the pant, and then this is the organza dupatta. Organza is right now in hot trend. People can go for this. Absolutely mind-blowing fabrics. These are all slim fit fabric as well. Because of the cotton, and the second color is a peacock blue color with this organza dupatta. All are nice beautiful ones. And then comes this concept. The concept is something really different and new. It comes with a contrast matching organza dupatta. So this is the neck portion for this. You can find the embroidered neck portion for this. The fabric itself is very different, and this is the back, and this is the front portion for this. And then comes pant, and then it's a contrast matching dupatta. Lovely it is, no? And then the second color is this. So, and then the third color is this. All are 3 different colors we have. All are different what to say, you can go for however you wanted to. And then comes our khata work embroidered, and this is a satin finish kind of fabric, and so called as muslin fabric maybe. And this is the top for this, and then this is the pant for this, and then this is the dupatta for this, shaded dupatta. Sure? Yes, you can see this. Right. And then comes our chanderi. See this lovely beautiful looking chanderi top. So with all this down portion is something really different, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with the kota, mixed kota doria dupatta. Mixed kota doria dupatta. Alright, so this is how it is. Then comes our nice chanderis, 1 and then 2 colors. See this, so nice beautiful looking chanderi, woven fabric, these are all. And this comes with the pant, and then see the dupatta is floral chanderi printed dupatta. So printed. This is the front portion and the back portion will be like this. The front portion is being printed. Alright, and then the second color is this, a pale blue color, and then this comes this way. All are lovely colors, lovely concept. So the next chanderi is this Banarasi chanderi. These are all, and this is the top for this, and then pant, and then dupatta. All are chanderi soft dupattas. Lovely it is. And then comes our pretty beautiful linens. This is linen by cotton with embroideries. See this. So this is how it is, all with embroideries, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with an amazing lovely dupatta. It's a happy dupatta. See this, all over the embroidered dupatta. It's so pretty. And then the next concept is this. The top comes with the laria, mission larias, and then this is the pant for this. The surprise is our dupatta. See this, how beautiful and pleasant. Something really lovely. Alright, and then our last piece are these two Tezza silks. Wow, the color is really amazing. See the colors, pure Tezzas. So this is the top for this, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with an amazing floral dupatta. See this lovely dupatta, and the second color is this. Enjoyed seeing our beautiful collections in organzas. So you can directly order in our website www.shivaniboutique.com under the heading organza silver materials, where all these things will be updated in that. And if you have any queries, we are at your service 9585501762. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of pretty beautiful collections. Bye bye.